Let's draw Kuromi, starting with the eyes, and the secrets in the alignments. Follow along. Line up the bottom of the eyes with the nose like this, so we start off right. For the second alignment, this point sits at the halfway mark of the head's high. The pencil sketch is looking good, so reinforce it with pen. Really satisfying step. The head is done, but let's draw Kuromi's full body. Sketch looking good, keep reinforcing, no rush. The body stays simple and she's already starting to come together. Just enjoy the process.